Hi, my name is Darshan. I'm 25-year-old. I visited New Roots Hair Clinic. I have completed my PRP and hair transplant from past 6 months ago. It was a overall very good experience. And I visited my team. It was referred from one of my friends. And I just inquired over there, and overall it finds me good. I did a lot of research around the clinics, best hair roots clinic in Mumbai and around India. I found it one of the best. I also saw all the social media accounts, pages, and it was a good review from my friend also. So I decided to go ahead with this clinic. It was a good experience. I seen my results in around 2 months. After 2 months, my hair transplant and PRP. The team over here is very great. They are very helpful, and they kind of helped me a lot when I was searching to had any queries. And overall, this is a clinic which suits my preference best around my budget. It also gave me a good confidence and trust to refer to my friends also. So overall good.